Definitely more snow here. Snow. Snow.
Wait, is
I don't know.
staying here?
Yes.
Yes! Okay, you can play.
Yeah, I got some creative kids.
Is Nevaeh and Vanessa staying here? We built this big humongous box. Yeah, sure.
Oh, I don't know. That's pretty cool though. I think that's probably the biggest sport I've ever seen you guys make. What do you think?
We can like go on it and stuff.
That's cool. Hey guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15 and I am actually at the Wells house today. Go figure. We went to go look at some houses today. So I went grocery shopping. I went grocery shopping before we came here so that they could have some things. I decided to just go ahead and do a grocery shop rather than holding too far back and get some needed supplies. Things are a bit crazy out there, guys. They are a bit crazy. So this crazy thing, we decided to get a little extra groceries than normal so that they would have food, and I was hungry. And so this is what we got. I'm still like, this is my second haul, right? But this is my big haul for the month. This is my big haul for the month, guys. So I'll show you what I got. Alrighty, here we go. Got some stuff on the floor over here. Let's start over here. We have a bunch of pasta. This is basically just gonna be for food storage. So we have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of those. Got 8 bags of this white rice. Then let's start over here. We have some chocolate chips and more chocolate chips. 6 bags of the regular chocolate chips and then 2 of the minis. The mini ones are good for if you're making balls like the, oh, what are they called? They're like healthy type balls. They're like this. Then we have Tuscany Trail Mix, which has been a favorite, and it is lower carb, so that's a good snack. I got 2 bags of croutons, 1, 2 to go on salads. We got 2 things of sugar here. I got a thing of juice boxes. That is just one of my daughters who has the diabetes. She is here now for the week, and so she is going to have those just in case. We got 16 bean soup, 2 bags of those. I'm going to take those back with me so we can make chili. I got 2 boxes of saltines. One will be for here, one will be for there in case anyone gets a tummy bug. Sourdough round. I thought this would be nice just for them if they were doing soup to have with their soup. We got 2 of these seed-tastic breads, 2 of the keto-friendly breads, and then I got more gluten-free bread, but it is over there. We got 2 things of grapes. If you watch the shop with me, then you'll know the prices on these things, but produce at Aldi's is so affordable. 2 strawberries. I actually got 3 organic blueberries, but I had 1 in my pocket. All right, so then we have 3 baby carrots. Those are all just for snacking. A thing of onions for them here at the Wells house. This buffalo chicken is for my husband's work. I got these cheese tortellini, honestly, because they looked really yummy and they were a great price. I think I'm going to bring those back to have tonight with everyone that's at the house, at the Ronald McDonald house tonight. So 2 romaine hearts that will stay here. We still have some mixed salads left at Ronald McDonald house, so the romaine hearts will stay here for them to have salads. We got a bunch of bananas. Some will be for here, some will be for there. Little mini peppers, those will stay here for them in recipes. We got 2 of the oranges. Actually, I think there's 3. Yeah, I did end up getting 3. So 2 will be for here and 1 will be for there. Then we got some broccoli. I got, 6 bags of the broccoli florets. three of these French style dressings. This is great for the cranberry chicken. Absolutely wonderful for cranberry chicken. I got 2 things of ranch dressing. I got a bunch of sour cream. Some of those are going to go with me, and then some of them will stay here. I think 2 probably will go, 3 will stay here. And then we got cucumbers. Got 4 cucumbers. I think we'll bring 1 back and leave 3 here. We have these cheddar cheese biscuits. These are just quick and easy when you're trying to make something else that is not gluten-free, just to whip this up for the people that need gluten-free. So, got those ones. We got a bunch of cheese here, all different things. Mild cheddar and sharp cheddar, pretty much. So we got 2 sharp and 4 mild. The price on cheese there is so good. 6 of the butters. Probably take 2 with me and leave 4 here. I got 6, I believe, of the string cheeses. Maybe more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 8 of the string cheeses. Totally ran out at the other house. That is such a good, easy snack. Avocado cooking oil. This is the gluten-free bread that I was talking about. So I got 1 for each place. We got 3 things of apples. I'll bring 1 back with me, leave 2 here. Bunch of sweet potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, I can't remember. I'll bring 1 of these back with me and the rest will stay here. They have a lot of recipes where something from our food pantry is going to go over sweet potatoes or potatoes, so potatoes. So I got 20 pounds of potatoes for here, and then 10 pounds for the Ronald McDonald's house. We'll take those back with us, send that back with us. And then we have Greek yogurt. This is a vanilla bean Greek yogurt. 6 of those. Did I get this? Apparently I randomly got that. Okay. I must have just thrown that in the cart or something. I don't know. So 6 of those, and then we got a bunch of shredded cheeses. So we have 3 of the mozzarella, and then 3 of the mild cheddar cheese. Then we have almond milk. I got 3 of the almond milks, and then 6 half and halves. We only need 1 back with us. The rest can stay here. 2 ranch dressings here. These are all the gluten-free things. So those were the cheddar biscuits, and then we have some of these pancake baking mixes, and then we have cornbread mix here. Limit was 2 on eggs, so we got these 2, and we're back around to the oranges. Down here we have 6 chicken breasts. I think we had, yes, 4 beefs. Those are going to go back to Ronald McDonald's house. And then 6 peanut butters. Those are going to stay here. And then I bought some of these. These are similar to body armor, which I have been drinking to help with my milk supply. I don't know if it really helps or not, guys. I don't know. But at least it gets you hydrated. And then we have a bunch of these organic yellow corn chips. Did I have 6 of these or did I have 8 of these?
No.
So there is 6 of these yellow corn chips. So here we go. So that is what we got here. We got a bunch of stuff. I think we did pretty good. I spent $658 on this. I'm trying to think, yes. I'll have to go back to see what I spent for my first trip. I think it was $150 for my first thing in that got delivered to the house, or delivered to Ronald McDonald house. And then this is like our big shop. Probably won't need to shop for a couple weeks. We'll see. It might make us through the month. I might need to get just a smidge of things left for the end of the month. But I think that it might. It's, what's today, the 17th? Okay, they said it's the 17th. So yes, the 17th, bunch of food. We have a short month. I think that will take us through the month. So that would be a grand total this month of, let's see, 800. So we were doing with the pantry challenge a lot less, but I decided that there's lots going on with the tariffs and increased prices potentially and yada, yada, yada. And I just got a bunch of stuff. There you have it. I think it's good. A lot of the vegetables are good. Definitely needed cheese. There's quite a few dishes that I wanted to put into next month's thing that require cheese. So I'm gonna see if they'll throw some stuff in the freezer, but I'll talk to them back and forth once I take a look at what they have here as well, so that I can make that up for next month so I won't be behind in things. 'Cause it's only 28 days. You guys keep reminding me it's only 28 days, which is like nothing. It's like 10 days away. So that's it. What are you guys doing? Are you guys still doing the pantry challenge? I think in a way we still are doing the pantry challenge, because pretty much everything is from, like, our main part of our meals is all made from the pantry, right? So all of our meals are made from the pantry. It's just a blessing to have fruits and vegetables, or to have sandwich bread if you're going out someplace. And there might be a lot of going out and in between type things going on. I don't know. Who knows, guys? Who knows? All right. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.